Listen carefully. This video isn't just another piece of motivation you watch. Get hyped for 5 minutes and then forget. No, this is different. If you clicked here because deep down you know you've been wasting time, if you feel that guilt burning inside you, and you finally want to change your life, then you're in the right place. But I need you to understand something. This only works if you lock in. If you listen to every single word like your future depends on it, because it does. So clear your mind, put your focus here, and listen wisely. Let me ask you something. Remember the goals you set at the start of this year? The ones you swore you'd achieve? Be honest, did you accomplish them? Or did you get lazy? You probably gave yourself excuses, right? Excuses so weak that even you didn't believe them. I'll start tomorrow. I'll do it later. But let me tell you something. Later doesn't exist. Later, the coffee gets cold. Later, you lose interest. Later, it's already gone. And that's exactly what's happening to your life. Right now, your life feels like a treadmill. Your legs are moving. You're sweating. You're tired, but you're not going anywhere. You wake up, you scroll, you eat, you sleep, and then you repeat. It's not living, it's existing. You're just drifting, day after day, stuck in a cycle that keeps you small. And every time you delay your dreams, every time you choose distraction over discipline, the walls close in on you, inch by inch, until you can barely breathe. That's what procrastination is. It's a silent prison. And the scariest part? You've started to call this normal. Your life right now is like a leaking boat. At first, the water dripping in doesn't bother you. It's small, you ignore it. But if you don't start throwing the water out, if you don't patch the hole, eventually the boat sinks. Or imagine carrying chains on your back. Every excuse adds another chain. Every wasted day adds another lock, and before you realize it, you're buried under your own weight, too heavy to even move. Inside of you, there are two wolves fighting. One is weak, lazy, soft, addicted to comfort. He stays up late, scrolling, watching Netflix, chasing attention, craving validation. The other wolf, he's disciplined, sharp, unstoppable. He deletes the distractions, he cuts off the noise, he goes ghost mode. See the guy who went ghost mode? Suddenly he disappeared. No posts, no stories, no likes, no comments. His name didn't pop up anywhere. He deleted every app that was draining his focus. He cut off people who were wasting his time. At first you thought he quit, but then, months later, he comes back, and he's unrecognizable. Stronger, wiser, more charismatic. Not the little boy craving attention, not the guy chasing girls and wasting nights, not the one who hides under a warm blanket because he's scared of the cold. Number. He came back as a man built from silence, from discipline, from pain. And you're still where you were, still comfortable, still soft, still weak. Listen to me carefully. You're getting soft. You're getting weak. And life doesn't reward weakness. You say you want respect, but you don't respect yourself. You say you want success, but you can't even win the battle against your own laziness. Stop lying to yourself. Stop pretending that scrolling all night, chasing meaningless things, and avoiding hard work is somehow okay. It's not okay. It's destroying you. You're a man. And a man grows by doing the hard work, by facing the cold, by suffering in silence, by doing what others can't. That's how you become more. That's how you evolve. Winter is coming, and this is your last chance. Don't waste it like you've wasted every other season. This winter arc could be the season that defines you. The season where you cut off every distraction. The season where you finally stop listening to the crowd and start listening to your own mind. Because at the end of the day, it's not about them, not the people laughing, not the people making jokes, not the ones doubting you. It's about you. And when you come back stronger, trust me, they'll regret laughing. They'll ask you how you did it. They won't believe the transformation. But here's the truth. It's not going to happen by accident. No one's coming to save you. No miracle is waiting at your doorstep. It's your fight, your storm, your responsibility. You have two choices. Keep wasting time. Keep feeding the weaker version of yourself. Keep drowning in distractions, excuses, and comfort. Or go ghost mode. Cut off the noise. Put in the work. Transform into the man you were meant to be. The clock is ticking. Your future is screaming for you to act. So I'll ask you again. Will you stay stuck, soft, weak, or will you rise, lock in, and finally become who you were born to be? The decision is yours.